Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Ready to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 for free, even if Microsoft says your hardware's not supported, or without losing your files, apps, or settings? In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick, easy way to install Windows 11 on any Windows 10 PC. This is super easy. Let's dive in and get your PC future-proofed. Step 1. Download the PC Health Check app. Let's check if your PC is officially supported for Windows 11. Open your favorite browser, say Google Chrome. In the address bar, type PC Health Check spaces between the letters and press Enter. Look for the official Microsoft link titled Windows PC Health Check. Click it to visit Microsoft's download page. Find the Download PC Health Check app button and click it. Once downloaded, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar. Go to Downloads, find the PC Health Check installer, and double-click it. Follow the prompts to install. Click Next, agree to the terms, and click Install. When it's done, check the box to launch the app and click Finish. Step 2. Check your PC's eligibility. With PC Health Check open, click Check Now. It'll scan your system and tell you if your PC meets requirements like TPM 2.0 or a supported processor. If it says your PC isn't eligible, like mine, which has an older processor, no worries. We'll use a clever tool to bypass those restrictions. Step 3. Download the Flyby 11 tool. To upgrade unsupported PCs, we're using a free, open-source gem called Flyby 11. Back in your browser, type Flyby 11, no spaces, in the address bar and press Enter. Find the GitHub link for Flyby 11. It'll mention Built by 11. Click it. On the GitHub page, scroll to the Releases link to open it. Once this page open, scroll down and click the latest version, probably Flyby 11.zip. This tool's safe, but Windows or your antivirus might flag it as unknown. Step 4. Extract and run Flyby 11. Head to your Downloads folder, find Flyby 11.zip, right-click it, and select Extract All. Choose a new folder to extract to and click Extract. Open the extracted folder and locate the Flyby 11 executable. It has a Windows logo icon. Double-click to run it. If Windows shows a smart screen warning, click More Info, then Run Anyway. If your antivirus pops up, open its dashboard, restore the file, and allow it. Flyby 11 is safe. It just tweaks Microsoft's checks to let your PC upgrade. Step 5. Verify your PC's compatibility. Flyby 11's window shows basic checks to ensure your PC can run Windows 11. Click Start Upgrade Now at the bottom to proceed. Step 6. Download the Windows 11 ISO. In Flyby 11, click Download via FIDO for the simplest way to grab the Windows 11 installer. A PowerShell window will open. Leave it alone. It'll launch a downloader tool. Select Windows 11 and click Continue. Pick the latest version, like 24H2, and click Continue. Choose Windows 11 Home, Pro, and Educational, then click Continue. Now, select your language. This is crucial. For the United States, pick English United States, not English International, to preserve your files and settings. Choose your language and click Continue. Select x64 for most PCs with Intel or AMD processors, not ARM, unless you're on a tablet. Click Download. This 5 GB file might take a few minutes, depending on your internet. Grab a coffee and let it download. Step 7. Select the ISO and prepare the upgrade. Once the ISO's downloaded, return to Flyby 11. Click More Options, then select From Computer. Navigate to your Downloads folder, select the Windows 11 ISO, and click OK. It'll take a few seconds to process. If a PowerShell warning appears, click Yes. A message will say Windows installation can proceed. Click OK. You'll see a setup window saying Install Windows Server. Don't freak out. It's using the server version to skip hardware checks, but you'll get Windows 11 Home or Pro matching your license. Click Next. Bonus tip: keep your PC plugged in during the upgrade to avoid battery issues. Step 8. Configure the in-place upgrade. The setup will fetch updates for a minute or two. Then, you'll see Microsoft's license agreement. Click Accept. Now, the big moment. You should see an option to keep personal files, apps and settings. If it's missing, you picked the wrong language. Re-download the ISO with the correct language like English, United States and retry. If you see the option, select it and click OK. The setup will verify everything. When it says ready to install, confirm it's keeping your files and apps, then click Install. The installation begins, and your PC will restart multiple times. Don't interrupt it. The screen might go blank briefly, and the process could take 30 to 60 minutes based on your PC's speed. When it's done, you'll hit the Windows 11 login screen. Enter your usual Windows 10 PIN or password. Windows 11 will finalize, and you'll land on your desktop with all your files, apps, and settings intact. Step 9. Verify everything's golden. Let's make sure Windows 11 is running like a champ. Click the Start button, then the gear icon to open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Why is this part interesting? Because Windows Update doesn't just patch bugs, it often boosts performance, improves security, and adds useful features behind the scenes. You might even get updated drivers for your graphics, sound, or Wi-Fi, which can fix random issues or speed things up. Your desktop icons, documents, files, and apps should all be right where you left them. If something's wonky, drop a comment below, and I'll help you troubleshoot. You can also run disk cleanup after the upgrade to clear out leftover installer files. Check my cache clearing tutorial for that. Step 10. FAQs for peace of mind. Here are answers to questions you might have. Is Flyby 11 free? Totally. It's open source, but stick to the GitHub link in my description. Do I need a new license? Nope, your Windows 10 key carries over. If you need one, go to Premium Key, search for Windows 11 Professional Retail Key, and use my discount code TECH9 to save money on your purchase. Final tip: explore Windows 11's new snap layouts for multitasking. It's a productivity booster. If this tutorial got your PC rocking Windows 11, smash that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay in the loop with Passionate About Tech. You've just upgraded your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11, even if Microsoft said it couldn't be done, all without losing a single file. Your PC's now secure, modern, and ready to roll. Drop a comment: did the upgrade go smoothly? Or how much do you love Windows 11's new look? Thanks for watching, stay passionate about tech, and I'll catch you in the next video.